Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to know if someone unfollowed you on Instagram. Open up the Instagram app. Go into your profile from the bottom right corner. Click on Followers to see who follows you. Then click on your profile from the bottom to switch the account. Now close Instagram. Open up the Play Store. Here search Instagram Followers. Click to open Followers Tracker inside app. Enter your Instagram username and password here. Then click to log in. Open up your Instagram app and open your followers. Then click to open any follower account. To show you, I'm switching my Instagram account with my other account. Now go to the followers. I'm unfollowing my other account. Then switching back to my previous account. Go into followers and see you cannot see your other account in here. Now open up the IG Follower app. Reload the page seen in Followers Lost. It says that you lost one follower. Click on Follower Lost to see who unfollowed you. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.